Moses' Kitchen. Today I'm preparing a tea time snack with jackfruit, a replacement for Pori, a jackfruit pori. So don't waste time, let's move to the video. Moses' Kitchen.
With this recipe, we can make 14 pieces. The first step, we need half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 heaped tablespoon of semolina or rava, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and combine well. Add water and mix it well. When you adding water, add batch by batch and make a smooth batter like this. It should not be too thick or it should not be runny. It's almost like a parampuri batter. Oh, we need the best one, the jackfruit. I'm using here 7 pieces and cut into half like this. So we get 14 pieces. Onto the batter, add half teaspoon of baking powder and combine well. Put oil and make it hot and dip one by one jackfruit in the batter and fry in hot oil. Make sure you perfectly dip every jackfruit and fry in hot oil. And when it's getting cooked, flip it in between until it is crispy and crunchy outside. And remove it, drain all the oil and enjoy.
Oh, beautiful. Crispy outside, soft inside. A perfect tea time snack. Please try this recipe and share your experience in my comment box. And show your love by sharing the video to friends and family and subscribing my channel, Moses' Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Oh, what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.